Have you ever lowered your prices, hoping more clients would come, and still heard nothing but silence? You're not alone, and the fix is simpler than you think. In just a few simple steps, you will learn the exact pricing strategy that filled one person's entire calendar in just 48 hours, without discounting a single dollar. First, understand why the way you present your price matters more than the price itself. Next, discover the simple shift in framing that makes clients feel confident saying yes. Then, apply this strategy to your own offers and watch your calendar fill up fast. With these tools, picture this. You update your pricing page on a Tuesday using what you learned in Picture This. You update your pricing page on a Tuesday using what you learned in this book. By Wednesday night, your inbox has 5 new inquiries. By Thursday, you've booked 3 of them. Same service, same you, just a smarter strategy. Remember, people don't hesitate because of your price. They hesitate because they're not sure you're worth it yet, and the right pricing strategy fixes that. Smart pricing is a game changer. It creates bookings, confidence, and a business that finally feels full. Don't wait. Grab your copy of Pricing Strategy That Filled My Calendar in 48 hours and start attracting clients today.